Hi students, in today's session we are going to see what is accounting and also the importance of accounting. So basically accounting, we can say it is a process of recording all financial transactions. So what is transaction here? See, transaction is nothing but any event that has monetary value. So that we call it as transaction. Okay, so in accounting we have to record all financial transaction that relates to a business. Okay, so this includes all type of summarizing, analyzing and reporting this transaction to the agencies, we can say. So what is happening is we have to record all type of financial transactions of any business. So that is the simple meaning of accounting. Okay. So how we can record the accounting transaction? First we need to identify. So what type of transaction is happening? So we have to identify whether we need to record this or not. That is your initial or first process. Okay, then we have to record the transaction. So how we will record? So before recording we have to know, is that a profit or loss, whether it is a asset means your we can say it is a property for you, okay, or your liability is nothing but you have to repay in future. Okay, so we have to classify all these things. Basically we can say that profit or loss is simple for you, right? Assets and liabilities we will see in later sessions. What do you mean by that? I will explain. Okay, so for recording we need to understand whether it is a profit or loss for your business. We have to analyze all these things before recording. Then we have to prepare the accounting report. Why we need to prepare the accounting report? So only then the business people who are all involved in your organization will know to make any decisions. Okay, so how my business is running? Is it in a profit mode or is it moving on to the loss? What steps I need to make it to correct it? Or what steps I need to sustain my income or profit? So all these decisions will be taken based on the accounting report. And finally we can analyze and interpret it. So what is happening here is the end customers or the public will know whether your organization is running in a profitable way. Why it is required? Only then the outsiders will be willing to invest in your company. So this is a very basic thing. So what is accounting? It is nothing but recording all type of financial transaction that has monetary value of your business. So for this we have to summarize. Summarize is nothing but include everything. Analyze is to see how it has been working. So whether it is a profit or loss, whether it is an income or expenditure, we have to analyze and then we have to prepare the report. Okay, so this is the introduction to accounting. Next we have importance of accounting. Why accounting is important? See, we will have an uniformity in accounting system, we can say, right? So we will have a uniformity in accounting. And also we can check. So how it was for me in the last year and how it has been progressing this year. We can compare the financial statements and also you can avoid any frauds or manipulations happening in your organization. So for this we have to maintain accounting system. Okay, so we already discussed accounting is a system that identifies, records and communicates. Communicates is nothing but it is being used by the end customers, right? How the company is progressing. So for this we have a final report for that. And this information has to be relevant for your organization. What is relevant? It has to be accurate. It has to be on the basis of your organization or transaction, whatever is happening. It has to be appropriate to the business. Then it has to be reliable. Reliable is nothing but it has to be trustable. Okay, so the report has to be in a trustworthy manner. The outsider should have a trust on your report. So for this you have to prepare the accounting report on the basis of all standard procedure of accounting. Okay, and also your report has to be comparable. So what is comparable here? Comparing, correct? So how it was for me in the previous years and how it has been in the current year. So last year, whether it was in a profit way or income way, and how it is being working for me in the current year. So with this I can make good decisions, better decisions for my organization. Yes, so this is the importance of accounting. I hope it is clear. If you have any further clarification, you can get back to me. Thank you.